L is for the way you look at me.
O is for the only one I see.
V is very, very extra.
Hello everyone! Welcome back to Gracie's channel with us, Ibu Nita and Bu Widya. So later, on February 22nd, our school Gracie's Preschool Mutiara Palem will have open house. So Ibu Widya, can you please tell us what we are going to do in our open house?
Of course, later in our open house we will have so many fun